Just like our lives, financial markets also go through the ups and downs, called the bull and bear phases. Bull and bear are the two phases during which financial markets portray different price trends. In the bull phase, the prices of securities show an upward trend, and more investors tend to buy securities as they expect the prices to rise further. Whereas the bear phase is the exact opposite. The prices tend to show a downward trend, and investors tend to sell their securities as they anticipate the prices to fall further. One way to make the most of each market phase is by staying invested through both of them, which can help offset the negative returns. And with systematic investment plan, you can not only invest in a disciplined and consistent manner, but may also weather out the risk associated with bull and bear market phases. Win with SIP, an investor education and awareness initiative by Aditya Birla Sunlife Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.